I'm Zariel Khoo from Bartley Secondary School. So basically, ever since Sec 3, after getting my end of year results, I felt that I really needed more guidance from the tuition centre. So I came across the Ace Your POA website. When I applied for it, I was quite uncertain whether I should take because I don't really know whether it can help me a lot. But ever since I came to the centre and started learning since the first class, I've gained a lot of knowledge and I have made great improvements along the years. Before I joined Ace Your POA, I got a F9. But after joining Ace Your POA, I got a A2, which is like, I felt like my grades have significantly improved. The first session for me was the foundation class, and I felt that the foundation class was really very helpful for me because it allowed me to understand the basics of POA and why is it important to do POA, and it allowed me to have a much greater understanding. I find that the materials were really helpful to me because I could get to do practices with it, I could get to read the materials, and whenever I'm bored at home, I can just take out the cheat sheets or the notes that I've done during class and I can just read it through whenever I'm free. I feel that Ace Your POA, not only is the material good, I feel that the teachers is also very helpful. They can make the lesson much more interesting and it allowed me to understand better and it really allowed me to enjoy POA more. I would definitely introduce my friends to Ace Your POA because Ace Your POA is a tuition centre which discerns the good tuition centre and the bad tuition centre. And I feel that this Ace Your POA tuition centre is a very good tuition centre because there are teachers which are good, there are notes which are useful and important, and there are things which I finally understand right now, and I'm very sure that my friends will also understand if they were to join this tuition centre. I would really miss this tuition centre and the teacher as well. Thank you, Mr. Quack. Thank you, Ace Your POA.